India's 873 family-owned companies have taken a massive hit in their market cap. Few have escaped this massacre, but there is a loss of 22 lakh crores in this. And more pain is to come. Welcome back to Berich. A family-owned company which is listed is a common feature in Indian markets. And these companies have anemic growth in 2019 and have had a robust growth in 2018. The market caps of these company in the year 2020-21 have taken a massive hit. There is a total loss of 22 lakh crores in their market cap. Some companies have been badly hit. Even companies like Avenue Markets, which runs DMart, has suffered an erosion in their market cap. Asian Paints has also been hit badly, but still has managed to end the year with a 11% gain. I'm sure Asian Paints will get hit this year. The maximum pain was, however, reserved for the Hinduja Group, of its two flagship companies that are listed. One is IndusInd, another Ashok Leyland. Both have seen massive erosion in value. The total erosion in value is 75% in case of the Hindujas. For the first time since 2008, 12 years ago, the Bajaj Group has seen a net erosion in value. Bajaj has never seen an erosion in value after the crisis of 2008. The Tatas have not escaped. The Ambanis have not escaped. They have been hit badly too. But these are the headline groups. In the small cap and the mid cap space, many have been wiped out completely. They have lost their, like Kishore Bayani is on the verge of losing his company. Crompton and Greaves, part of the famed Thapar group, has lost control of all its companies. So, it is to be expected that this pain will continue as this year grinds along. There is complete confusion in the banking system, with the loan EMI and moratorium not being communicated to the retail investor properly. The retail clients of most private sector banks and NBFCs are still groping in the dark for this due to this confusion. We do not know when this problem will end. If the writ of the RBI does not run over private banks and the NBFCs, what is the point in having a central bank governor? It is highly irresponsible of the private banks and NBFCs to say that they are not aware and their boards have not yet met. This is simply to say that if people are willing to pay or there is money in the account, we will snatch it from them. The whole idea was to have a complete moratorium. I do not understand this, calling the customer or messaging him to say, do you want to continue with your EMI or you do not want to continue with your EMI? And the RBI has been silent on the amount of interest that can be levied on this delayed payment. I understand that depositors have to be paid their interest, so money has to be collected. But whether penal interest will be collected is what is the fear of most retail borrowers. The government has not been paying salary to its contract employees. SpiceJet and Indigo, two big employers, have announced pay cuts. Lot of mid-sized companies and small corporates are letting people go. This pandemic is becoming terrible. What we must realize is the coronavirus is reinforcing decline in economy. The economy was already in decline before the pandemic struck. The pandemic is reinforcing economic disequilibrium. And economic disequilibrium will also reinforce our response to pandemic. If we don't respond to pandemics properly, the economic disequilibrium will get worse. Media expects that auto sales in the month of March will be 50% down compared to last March. March is supposed to be a peak sales for auto. If autos sink, real estate sink, finance sinks, then India has very little hope for recovery this year. I expect flat to negative earnings for the Nifty this year. The market is yet to capture this. You can exploit. lower prices, and more pain for the investor. Thank you for watching Berich. If you like this video, kindly share it among your friends and relatives. If you have not, kindly press the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. A WhatsApp number is given below. If you'd like to buy my books, please send a message. My team will get in touch with you. Both my books are available on Kindle, Amazon. You may buy it digitally on them. If you want to reach out to me, please mail me at berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for watching Berich.